Good afternoon, students. Now we are going to see about how to implement the implicit cursor and explicit cursors in SQL programs. So first one, we are going to create a table name. The table name is called customers. So in this table, I'm going to create the attribute called ID, name, age, and address, salary. Okay, so here, so syntax is create table. Name of the table is customer1, and ID, it is a integer data type, it is a not null, and name, it is a varchar data type, the size is 20 and it is also not null value, and age, it is belongs to integer data type, address, it belongs to character data type, salary, it belongs to decimal data type. Here primary key is ID. So after this, now I'm created the table. One table is created. So after create the table, I'm going to insert the values into this customer table. For that, I'm used insert into. The name of the table is customer1 and values is a keyword, and within this parenthesis I specified the ID value, name of the name value, and the age and corresponding address value and salary value. Like this, how many rows we want, we can create using this syntax. Then I'm going to use the PL bar SQL programs to handle this table. So before that, I used the set server output on, then only we can see the output of this PL bar SQL programs. So first one, we declare the variables. The first variable name is total rows, that belongs to data type is a number data type, begin update. Here using the update query, I'm going to update the customer table. So update customer1. Customers1 is the name of the table. Set salary equal to salary plus 500. That is, previous salary value will be added with 500. The next one, if SQL percentage not found means, suppose the value, the record is not found means, it will display the no records selected will be displayed. Otherwise, the record found, it will be displayed. How many rows it will in this table, it will display the count values also. Using this TBMS output put line, it will display the total rows customers selected. For example, 2 or 3. So 3 rows selected, 4 rows selected, like that it will display. The output of this program is 2 customers selected, because I inserted 2 row value. So after executing this program, output is 2 customers selected, it will be displayed. So this is an example for the implicit cursor. Next one is the explicit cursor program. So in this explicit cursor program, declare ID customers1 dot ID percentage type, means from this customer table I'm going to fetch the ID, the same data type, it will be stored in this ID. The next one, customers table. From this customer table, what is the data type for name, it will be stored for the CNAME also. Like that, from the customer table I fetch the address column, that particular data type value will be stored in the C address. Then I declare the cursor. The cursor name is C customer is select. So I'm going to, from the customer table, I'm selecting the ID, name, address from the customer table. So that value will be pointed by this cursor. Cursor name is C customers. Begin, open, see customer. So first I am going to open the customer. So I'm using loop. So how many records we have, up to this it will executed. For example, 10 records we have means it will executed 10 times. 5 records we have means it will return the it will executed 5 times. So fetch, so see customers is a cursor name. So into, and that cursor value it will be transferred into variable means CID, CNAME and C address. These values are we declared in this program. Exit when C customers not found means whenever the in this table where there is no data means it will exist from this loop. Then it will display the CID value, that is ID value, customer's ID value, customer name and customer address value it will be displayed. Then after that we must close the cursor. The syntax is close that cursor name. Close our cursor name is C customers end. So output is the from this customer table what are the values stored here, that value will be displayed. Next one we are going to see about the procedures. So procedures means here we are storing some statements under this particular name. Whenever we want we can easily call that procedure name, it will execute it easily. So how to create a procedure mean create or replace procedure, then procedure name we must specify. We must specify the procedure name, create or replace procedure, then procedure name is greetings as begin, and between the begin and end it will display the dbms.output line, it will display hello world. For example, now it will create the procedure will be created. Then next one, if we want to execute procedure means we using this query called execute the procedure name is greetings, then this value will be displayed. So under this procedure we used hello world, it will be displayed means it will automatically display. So how many times we want to execute means we can simply use execute greetings means the corresponding procedure value will be called and the value will be displayed. The next one is of functions. So suppose in some our applications some repeated statements will be executed n number of times, when we can store that particular statement in one function name. So whenever we want we can easily call the function name, it will call the function and it will execute set of statements and we can get the results easily. So for functions, create or replace function, then function name is total customers, return number, it will return the data type is number, is total number equal to, first we initialize the value is 0, begin select count star. The count star, what is the use of count star means it will retrieve the how many records we have, it will return into total value, it will store in the total from customers 1, from the customer table we can retrieve. So return total value end. So now function will be created. Now we are writing the PL bar SQL program, declare C number 2. So begin, I used this C equal to total customers, DBMS output or put line, total number of customers here. So here I called the function is total customers. Total customer functions is already we defined